किराया 100 people.
और हम कहते हैं कि ऑनरेबल लीडर
नरेश अग्रवाल जी, श्री नरेश अग्रवाल,
ये सीरियस इशू.
Sri Naresh Agarwal, please remember, every member in this house is an honorable member. No, let me correct. No, listen. No.
मैंने किसी
Let me. Why you people?
आप प्रोसीडिंग दिखवा लीजिए. आप
If
प्रोसीडिंग
you people don't allow me to run the house,
MP
who will allow me?
ये साहब
Then you do it.
सम्मानित
Okay, then you do it.
श्रीमान
I will deal with. I know how to deal. No, you keep quiet. Naresh Agarwal ji. No, keep quiet. Go back to your seat. Understand? No, keep quiet. See, Naresh Agarwal ji, every member in the house is an honorable member. See, you cannot address any member in a demeaning or denigratory way. So, the word used, kirai or rendered, is expunged. Now, what is your point?
माननीय उपसभापति
Expunge, sit down.
माननीय
Sit
उपसभापति
down. Expunge, chalo.
माननीय उपसभापति
No, he is on a point of order. Let me complete that.
माननीय उपसभापति जी
हाँ.
आप प्रोसीडिंग निकला लीजिए. मैंने कहीं प्रोसीडिंग में नहीं कहा था. मैं ये नहीं जान पाया यही लोग क्यों चिल्लाए.
नहीं तो कुछ नहीं.
बीजेपी बाहर वालों को ला रही है.
अगर नहीं बहुत
बाहर किराए के लोगों को ला रही है.
ओके
बाहर
ठीक है.
के बाहर तमाम
I will
ये लेके आए.
नरेश जी,
हमने उनके लिए कहा
इन दैट ऐसा है तो मैं देखूंगा अगर आप बोलोगे तो एक्सपेंस है, नहीं तो क्यों, क्या तकलीफ है आपके लिए?
हम लोगों को
If you are not said there is nothing, no
हम
problem.
लोगों को सबको 2000 रुपए तो वैसे ही मिलते हैं प्रतिदिन.
No, if you are not said, no problem.
इसमें गलत हमने क्या कहा? हमको रोज भत्ता मिलता है जो सदन में आने का 2000 रुपए तो देते हैं. इतने दिन से कह रहे हैं उसको बढ़ा दो, नहीं बढ़ा रहे. हम तो इतने दिन से कह रहे हैं उसको बढ़ाओ, ये बढ़ाते नहीं है. मैं तो इनके पक्ष में बोल रहा हूँ. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ कि वेतन बढ़ाइए, भत्ता बढ़ाइए. हम तो आपसे रोज कहते हैं वेतन भत्ता बढ़ाइए, आप लोग खुद ही नहीं मिलते. मेरा कहने का था, मेरा श्रीमान ये कहने का है कि मैं कह रहा था नियमावली में हम जब पढ़ते हैं तो उसमें दिया हुआ है कि चेयर को सारे अधिकार है, संपूर्ण अधिकार.
जो अरे वो खत्म हो गया. ओवर दैट मैटर इज ओवर. एक्सपेंज हो गया, छोड़ो. एक्सपेंज हो गया, आप बैठो. जो कुछ बोला एक्सपेंज हो गया, आप लोग बैठिए.
आज घोषणा कर दीजिए कि सबको भत्ता 5000 हो गया. ये सब खुश हो जाएंगे, चुपचाप बैठ जाएंगे. मैं
क्या बोल? One of you speak. Yes.
चाहिए
सब
Yeah.
सर चलो आप मत लीजिए, हमें दे दो.
This house, as you said, every member has been elected. I am member of this house. I am member of the house.
No, please.
I am member of the house. He has permitted me.
Yeah. I allowed the minister. Sit down. I allowed the minister.
सर, अपनी बात को कैसे तैसे भी साबित करने के लिए अगर कोई ये अब 5000 करो भत्ता, तो ये सब चुप हो जाएंगे. यहाँ भत्ते के लिए नहीं आते हम, और सारे मेंबर भी भत्ते के लिए नहीं आते. ये हर एक मेंबर जो आया है समाज में काम करके आया है, और 20-25 साल काम करके आया है. ये भत्ते के लिए नहीं है. इस तरह ये डिरोगेटरी रिमार्क है, एक्सपेंस करना चाहिए.
ठीक है. सी भत्ते के लिए कोई नहीं आते हैं, काम करने के लिए आते हैं. अभी now that is over. Now what is your point? You tell me. You tell me. Otherwise I will stop you.
मैं तो खुद ये कह रहा हूँ कि हम लोग वेतन भत्ते के लिए नहीं आए हैं.
Yeah.
हम लोग तो
No.
हम लोग तो एनजीओ के रूप में आए हैं
आप बोलिए
और
क्या है?
जनता की सेवा करना चाहते हैं।
अरे आप बोलिए क्या करना
मैं
है?
ये कह रहा था
हाँ क्या है?
कि नियमावली के
हाँ
नियम में देख लीजिए,
हाँ
सारे अधिकार इस चेयर को हैं।
या सब्जेक्ट टू
यहाँ तक
रूल्स,
आप रूल 9 उठा लीजिए,
सब्जेक्ट टू रूल्स,
रूल 9 उठा लीजिए,
रूल 9
रूल नियम 9 में
No.
ये भी दिया
अरे,
है
रूल 9
कि या सभापति चेयर पे होंगे।
रूल 9, रूल 9 में क्या है? ओके
अरे ये सब देशभक्त हैं,
यस
ये सब देशभक्त हैं,
वो
हम
ओके।
लोग देशद्रोही हैं।
ओके, रूल 9 क्या है बताओ?
रूल 9 में दिया
हाँ।
हुआ है यदि सभापति चेयर पे नहीं होंगे,
हाँ।
उपसभापति भी चेयर पे नहीं होंगे,
हाँ
तो जो चेयर पे जो भी बैठा होगा
हाँ
पीठासन अधिकारी,
हाँ।
उसको भी वही अधिकार होंगे जो
ठीक है,
चेयर को होंगे, जो
ठीक है।
सभापति को। और ये
No, please. Why do you object to this? Why do you do this?
हम तो
या।
सुमन बड़ा साफ कर रहे हैं, ये देश प्रेमी है, हम लोग देशद्रोही हैं। बैठ जाइए आप लोग सब लोग। अब मैं ये कह रहा था कि अब इसमें भी आपत्ति है।
Please.
ये भत्ता माफी करवा दे, भत्ता आप नहीं
नहीं प्लीज, नहीं छोड़ो आप। मैंने एक्सपंज कर दिया है, मिस्टर मालिक है एक्सपंज रेट।
अब इन्हें इस पे भी आपत्ति, देश प्रेमी हम क्या करें?
बोलिए बोलिए,
ये देश प्रेमी
बोलिए।
मैं जो कह रहा था,
इसलिए क्या
मैंने इस हमारे रूल 9 की बात करी,
बोलिए अब।
कि जब सारे अधिकारी
ठीक है,
ठीक है,
इसलिए
चेयर को-
क्या?
आप
So what?
आप स्वीकार कर रहे हैं सब अधिकार चेयर को हैं,
हाँ
तो फिर हम लोग मांग कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री बुलाइए, तो चेयर क्यों नहीं क्यों नहीं आदेश देते?
सुनिए।
सारे अधिकार चेयर को,
now listen,
चेयर क्यों घबराती है?
no
आप सदन की राय ले लीजिए, और राय के आधार
नरेश,
ये मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर है।
ओके, योर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर। सी, अरे सुनिए, अरे लेट मी, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? I will take action against you. I will take action against you. I am telling you, this is a point of order which I have to deal with. This is a house with some dignity. Why do you think? See, Naresh Agarwal ji, I heard your point of order. See, this I'll tell you. You were raising it yesterday also, today also. As you said, chairman has powers according to 9. The same power the deputy chairman or any vice chairman when sitting on the chair. It is also correct. It is there, but powers are subject to the rules. You understand? Subject to rules. Subject to rules.
क्या लिखा है? सब्जेक्ट
लिखे।
रूल नियमावली में
ना
कहाँ
लिखे,
लिखा
लिखे।
है?
Subject
हमको
to
पूरी
rules.
ये साइलेंट
Now
है,
listen.
ये साइलेंट है।
अच्छा, silent.
इसलिए चेयर को अधिकार
Yeah.
कर रहे हैं।
Okay, I agree. So, but let me say, if that is so, if you say that part is silent, it's a gray area. That is your point. Then I have to say that. See, the convention is this: if a particular subject is discussed, House has every right to demand that the concerned minister should be here. And as far as the chair is concerned, this discussion, demonetization, is a subject matter coming under finance ministry. If you ask, the finance minister should be here, I am ready to ask him. The chair has no business to ask. No, that's what I am saying. So why do you intervene? I am doing my job. And you see, that is it. If you ask me to ask any other minister or even the prime minister, I cannot do that. There is no convention for that. There is no rule for that. So we will start the discussion. So let us ask a discussion. But I would like to say one thing more. I would like to say one thing more. One thing more I will say, that this morning also in the din, I asked Sri Yechuri, how do you presume that the PM will not come? My request to the House is, start the discussion. Start the discussion. The PM may come. How do you say PM will not come? How do you say? How do you say PM will not come?
I told you in the morning, sir, I told you in the morning, since you've taken my
Yeah.
name, please permit me 1 minute.
Yeah.
One minute. Yeah, you took my name.
I'll call you. Sri Yechuri is
I
saying.
told you in the morning in the din itself, sir. The point is, in this instance, the announcement was made by the Prime Minister and not by the Finance Minister. Number one. And therefore, the right that you have said as the chair.
That's your point.
You can ask.
That's your argument.
My interpretation. is done, you should ask the Prime Minister to come. Secondly, the debate is already begun. The debate is already begun. In one whole day of debate, the PM was not there.
Continue the
We
debate.
are saying, let the PM come. Resume the debate. Resume the debate. We are all agreed.
Resume the debate. Let us resume the debate. Yes, you want to say something?
Let the PM come, we'll all debate.
Yeah.
Sir,
First you, no. First you ask your members to go to your seat. Do that. Then you speak. You are a minister, you have to do like that.
सर जो है डिस्कशन जो है जो अधूरा था उस डिस्कशन को शुरू कराइए और इसमें जो भी माननीय सदस्य कहना चाहते हैं वो अपनी बात कहें, लेकिन जो है वो शालीनता के साथ संसदीय जो मर्यादाएं हैं उसके साथ होना चाहिए। हमें लगता है कि ये तू मैं से काम नहीं चलेगा। हमें जो है वो जो भी बात कहनी है उन बातों को हम तर्कों के साथ तथ्यों के साथ कहें, और अगर वो कहेंगे तो सदन जो है वो सुचारू रूप से चले और सदन जो है वो चर्चा के लिए, डिबेट के लिए, डिस्कशन के लिए। अगर हम डिबेट डिस्कशन से भाग रहे हैं तो उसका मैसेज ये जा रहा है देश में कि हम डिबेट नहीं चाहते, इस पे डिस्कशन नहीं चाहते, और कहीं ना कहीं ये मैसेज जा रहा है कि ये मुद्दा नोटबंदी का ना हो करके बल्कि काले धन की नाकेबंदी की मुखालफत हो रही है। ये ठीक नहीं है। एक चीज सर, दूसरी चीज ये कि
Statement. That is another subject. I will come to that. Let me come to that then. Yes, what is your point? I will give you. Let me, what is your point of? You have no point of order. Your leader is, your deputy leader is giving. Sit down. He has a point, you have no point.
सर
Yours is point of disorder. This is point of order. Tell me.
सर
What is your point of order? Tell me.
Sir, this morning also I had raised a point of order. This was about the constitution and the law of the country, and that the government must listen carefully rather than interrupting. We have started a discussion in this house and a debate. It has to be eventually taken to a logical conclusion. Sir, as per the constitution, the monetary policy is the domain of the Reserve Bank of India. The monetary policy is the domain of the Reserve Bank of India.
Okay.
It's the Reserve Bank of India which gives directions to the banks, public sector or private sector banks. Now, on 8th of November, an announcement was made through an address to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister. After that, sir, the citizens of this country, whether a housewife, a student, a worker, a trader, now, please, सुन ले, नुकसान नहीं है।
सुनिए।
That is not here to decide.
For me to ask.
Sir.
You cannot ask that. You cannot do my job.
Sir.
You cannot do my job.
Sir.
Then you should, one of you
Sir.
should come here and sit and do it.
Sir.
Don't do it there.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Please.
Sir. People have been denied access to
What is
their
your
own
point?
money, so the constitution has been violated. Therefore, since the monetary policy meant
Let me
by the
understand.
Reserve Bank of India
Let me know.
was announced by the Prime Minister,
see,
we are justified.
I
That's
do
where I want
not
your
agree
ruling.
with this. No, please.
Since he
Wait,
announced-
1
Sir.
minute. I do not agree with this. I allowed him a point of order. If you do this, I will take action on you. Mr. Satmalik, I think your name, I'm sorry. You have no business to do it. The job of the treasury bench is to ensure that the house runs smoothly. I am first time seeing this kind of business. That the treasury benches themselves coming and creating problems. And to the chair, I am very sorry. I am very sorry. No. Yes. No, sit down. You should. Yes. What is your point of order? You tell me the point of order.
चेयर की तरफ से इस तरह का कमेंट मुझे लगता है कि मैं माफी चाहता हूं। और ये ऑनरेबल मेंबर जो है, ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स चाहते हैं डिस्कशन हो, ये डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं करना चाहते, ये चाहते हैं कि चर्चा हो, और ये चर्चा हो रही है, उससे ये दुखी है।
Whatever may be the discussion, always a point of order is allowed, and reply to. I am doing that. I have to decide that nobody can put it
Under
back.
what rule?
Eh?
Under what rule?
Point of order, I will.
Point of order
You
is
can't
under
do
what
my,
rule?
sit down. You
Under
cannot
what
do
rule?
my job. What are you doing? Who are you to ask under what rule? I am to, sit
The
down.
Constitution, sir.
I'll take action against you. I don't mind your minister. Under what rule it is my job? What is you are doing?
Sir.
No. What is your point of order?
Sir.
Tell me.
My point of order is, sir, under the Constitution, Constitution is supreme.
What is
Under
your
the
point of order?
Constitution, sir, what I have said, the monetary policy is only the domain of the Reserve Bank of India.
So-
There has been a departure. On 8th of November, the monetary policy was announced by the Honorable Prime Minister. Now, therefore, since it's a fundamental
What is the
departure...
point of order?
Point of order is, sir, since a departure has been made from the established constitutional norms, therefore,
Which-
Parliament being in session...
Which
sir,
article of the
so my
Constitution is
point of-
violated? Tell
Sir,
me.
please. Sir, my question is...
No, you say
Sir,
which
please.
article of the Constitution is violated.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Our Reserve Bank of India,
Which article you say?
the monetary
Constitution
policy...
violated?
Just send me.
Yeah,
Just
say
send
the
me.
article.
Sir, please take that out.
It is with me.
Please take that out, sir.
Yeah. Which article? I don't,
Please
you have
take
to
that
say.
out. हमको भिजवा दे.
Yeah.
Just get me a copy of the Constitution. I'll just
Yeah,
open the
दे दो
RBI chapter.
Constitution दे दो. दे दो. Which article is violated? Which article is violated?
Sir, one is the RBI Act, Section 26, and Section
No, that is
27.
RBI Act. You
Sir.
said violation of Constitution. Which article?
Sir, let me... अरे भाई, कितना है रिजर्व बैंक का?
Please, cooperate with me. Let me deal with this. When somebody is, when somebody is saying that article of the Constitution is violated, if the chair does not respond to that, who will respond? Tell me. It is my duty. It is my job. When he is saying that article, if he is saying a wrong thing, I have to say it is wrong. Otherwise, I have to answer that. You cannot sit down. Sit down. Yes. No, let him say which article is violated.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने इस सदन को पावर दी है कानून बनाने की
ठीक है।
और रिजर्व बैंक जो बना वो इस सदन
आप
के कानून
बैठिए,
से बना।
आप बैठिए. You sit down. You sit down. No, Mr. No,
आ रहा हूँ, don't
Mr.
worry.
No, Mr.
Don't worry, don't
No,
worry.
Mr. Anand Sharma.
Sir, I'm coming.
Then
I'm coming, sir.
do you raise it later?
No, sir.
Because you
I'm
no.
just coming,
You raise
sir.
it
Just give me a
later.
minute.
You raise it later.
Sir, 1
no.
minute.
What? No. It is Anand Sharma. No time. You can raise it tomorrow.
No, sir.
No time.
Sir,
Okay, you have found out.
I'm talking about the finances of the states and the monetary policy, which is the exclusive domain of the Reserve Bank of India. This parliament of this country functions under the Constitution.
I agree with
number
you.
one.
Huh.
Now the parliament has enacted the Reserve Bank
Please,
of India
why you do
Act. Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Please.
This parliament,
Why you?
this
please?
parliament, in exercise of its powers, legislative powers, has enacted the Reserve Bank of India Act. Section 26 and 27 of that act have been violated by the Prime Minister of the country.
No.
By the Prime
See,
Minister of the country.
that is
He has announced
that's
the
a political issue.
monetary policy.
That's not a point of order. I'll tell you.
sir, please.
No, that's not
My
a point
point
of
of
order.
order
See,
is this.
that's a political
Sir, please,
issue.
please,
You
sir.
discuss
No,
it.
sir. No, sir.
That's not a point of order.
I'll just conclude.
It's not a point of order.
Sir, once the summons have been issued to convene the parliament by the President of India, when this announcement was made after the summons have been issued,
Yeah.
could this announcement have been made when the summons were issued? This is the point of order which I have. Whether the Prime Minister was right or he should have waited for the parliament session to begin to make this announcement in the House. Sir,
No.
please check this, sir.
No, I already
Summons were issued.
You.
What is the,
I
what
got
would
your
be
point.
the position?
No.
Once
But-
the summons
no,
have been issued,
You.
on 8th of November, the
No,
summons
I
was
understood.
issued.
Now I understood. You
And that too
see,
with the
you
permission
only
of the President of India.
see. I only to request you
That is
or
my point
ask
of
you to show me which rule in the rule book or which provision the constitution is violated. Then I can give a ruling.
Yes, the
You
convening
have
of
not
the
said
parliament,
that,
sir.
so I am
Convening of
not
the
giving
parliament.
ruling.
Yes,
You
sir.
have not said that. Yes. No, Tiruchi Shiva.
Sir,
Tiruchi Shiva.
sir, I want to be a bit serious, sir. The country is facing an
No,
economic
what is?
rule, sir, 258, sir.
No, what are you saying? Point of order.
Sir, yeah, point of.
What is your? You specifically say what is the point?
I am I'm always very specific,
Ah,
sir.
yeah.
Thanks, you have listened
Tell
to
me,
this
tell
side
me,
also,
tell me.
sir. The country is facing an economical crisis. The agriculturists are not able to sell their products. Everything is getting perished. Sir, the flowers, the fish and the eggs which they have produced are all in the market.
That
but
is
they are
no
not-
point
Sir,
of order.
I'm coming to that, sir. The cooperative banks are totally shut and no one is able to withdraw money. On this, sir, this is consequent to the decision announced by the Prime Minister on 8th November, sir. We started a discussion on that. We asked that the Prime Minister should be in the House to listen to the debate and respond. You
I
said,
told
sir,
you,
sir,
start the discussion
Sir, one moment, sir.
and wait.
Sir,
I
one
told
moment,
you.
One moment, sir. You said that, sir, you told that, sir. We don't need to presume that the Prime Minister will not be here. But the discussion went on for a whole day, sir. Many members spoke here, but not the Prime Minister was here. So we had an apprehension that he may not turn up during the whole debate. So we feel that the Prime Minister who has made the announcement and responsible for the financial crisis now should be in the House as a moral and legal bondage with him, to be in the House and listen to the debate and respond, sir. That's only with
You
you.
can
Kindly
remind that.
ensure that, sir. Kindly ensure that. When you can request the Finance Minister to be here, sir, you can also request the Prime Minister in the interest of the nation and in the dignity of the House, sir. Thank you very much. That's all.
Okay.
Deputy Chairman,
Now, therefore,
Deputy
let me
Chairman,
start.
sir.
No, let me start the discussion.
I am raising a point of order, sir.
What is this?
Sir, this
Okay,
is
okay.
this.
All right.
Sir, this is this.
All right.
Sir.
You first say which rule is violated.
Sir, I am going to first say that please read 74 article of the Constitution of India. Sir.
Okay.
Sir, I am reading.
74.
There shall be a council of ministers
Okay, it is here. मेरे पास. ठीक.
with the Prime Minister at the head. Sir, can I read?
Yes, you read it. No problem. I am here.
There shall be a council of ministers
Huh.
with the Prime Minister at the head to aid and advise the President, who shall in the exercise of function act in accordance with such advice.
So what?
Sir, sir,
So what?
सर अभी तो मैंने आपने अब आर्टिकल पूछा तो मैंने आर्टिकल बता दिया अब मुझे लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस सर लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस
No, no.
आर्टिकल 74 के
You tell which article of the Constitution is violated or which rule is violated. Have you got anything to say?
सर
tell me.
सर आर्टिकल 74 के तहत मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूं आपसे कि चूंकि ये काउंसिल का हेड प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता है उनकी एक्ट और एडवाइस के अनुसार ही वो प्रेसिडेंट को देते हैं और एग्जीक्यूटिव हेड भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता है यहां प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने चूंकि नेशन को एड्रेस किया है किसी मिनिस्टर को इस काबिल नहीं समझा मेरी बात तो सुनिए
There is no violation of any.
Let me finish.
You say which is violated. You are saying politics. I am not. See, the chair.
भाई की लाश उसके भाई की लाश
the
हॉस्पिटल
chair-
में इसलिए नहीं मिल रही है मैं दौड़ा जी का नाम ले रहा हूँ क्योंकि उनके पास 500 और 1000 की नोट है
हेलो।
और वो पे करना चाहते
अरे
हैं
सुनो।
मानवर भारत सरकार
I am not-
कैबिनेट मंत्री के भाई की लाश हॉस्पिटल
Mr.
में है
Tiwari,
और वो नहीं दी
I am
गई।
not
इसलिए
here
उनके
listen to
पास 500
political
और 1000
speech.
की नोट है
Now listen.
एक मिनिस्टर
I am
ने ये
not
कहा
bothered.
है कि जब भारत सरकार
See,
के
I am not. Tiwari, sit down. I am not bothered about the politics of it. If there is any violation of the article in the Constitution or any. No, listen. No. You are making a political speech. I am not interested in that. Sit down. No, you sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Arey, my dear, sit down. Arey, sit down. Sit down, yes. Tiwari ji, nobody has said so far that any provision in the rule book or in the constitution is violated. So all point of orders are ruled out. And then if you are not starting the discussion, I will call the minister for the statement. This is the discussion on demonetization of currency. Further discussion. I will call the name. No, what are you doing? Is it MJ? What are you doing? I will call the name to be discussed. Who is the next name here? Who is the next name to speak? Naresh Agarwal. If you are not speaking, I will call the minister for the statement. Are you speaking?
माननीय
I want
उपसभापति
the discussion. Are you speaking?
माननीय उपसभापति जी, अभी जब ये बात उठी थी,
You have to speak. You are the next speaker.
2 दिन पहले नकवी साहब ने इस सदन में कहा, 2 दिन पहले नकवी साहब ने इस सदन में कहा कि डिमोनेटाइजेशन का जवाब
No, please. Don't do this. Don't do this. Why do you do this? Then I am calling the minister for suo motu statement. Sri M.D. Akbar, Minister of State for External Affairs, to make a statement on Prime Minister's visit to Japan on 11-12 November 2016. Sri M.D. Akbar.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, thank you. I rise to brief this August House and honorable members on the visit of Honorable Prime Minister to Japan for the annual summit meeting. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi visited Japan on November 11-12, 2016, annual summit meeting with Prime Minister of Japan, His Excellency Mr. Shinzo Abe. The annual summit
You can lay it.
May I have your permission to lay it before the House?
It is laid on the table of the House.
Thank you.
House is adjourned till 11 a.m. on Thursday, the 24th November 2016.